The little-known early-stage eVTOL manufacturer New Horizon Aircraft recently achieved a significant milestone in the development of its Cavorite X7 eVTOL aircraft, successfully transitioning to forward flight using its novel fan and wing design. This achievement makes the Cavorite X7 one of the few aircraft in the world to accomplish stable transition. The company's CEO and co-founder, Brandon Robinson, noted that this milestone validates their focus on innovations that make operational sense with the best available technology. The 7-seat vehicle will have vertical takeoff and landing capabilities like a helicopter and fly like a traditional fixed-wing aircraft with a propeller. It's expected to travel at speeds of up to 250 miles per hour with a range of over 500 miles. The company targets the regional air mobility market, anticipating demand from emergency service providers, intercity travelers, and the military. Horizon Aircraft's unique approach to regional air mobility with the Cavorite X7, a hybrid aircraft that combines vertical takeoff and landing with traditional fixed-wing flight, offers potential advantages in range and speed. The company's focus on addressing the weaknesses of helicopters and small aircraft markets may provide a clear path to demand. While there are significant risks and challenges, achieving milestones on the path to certification could lead to potential rewards for investors if the company stays on track to commercialization by 2030. In order to help with this ambitious goal, they welcomed Justin Chapman, a former Rolls-Royce propulsion expert, as a senior technical advisor. Chapman brings extensive expertise in electric propulsion and energy systems for aviation, having held senior roles at Rolls-Royce. He will contribute to the technical development of the Cavorite X7 aircraft, including electronics, batteries, and electric propulsion. Chapman expressed his excitement to support Horizon Aircraft's revolutionary project, citing the company's dedication and talent. Horizon Aircraft's Chief Technology Officer, Tom Brassington, noted that Chapman's expertise will advance and de-risk the Cavorite X7 development programs, helping to achieve the goal of producing a safe and reliable piloted full-size demonstrator. Similarly, John Wizakowski was appointed as a technical expert in propulsion systems to support development of the Cavorite X7's propulsion systems. Wizakowski joins from Lilium, where he was head of propulsion, and brings decades of experience in advanced aerospace propulsion. He will play a key role in optimizing the Cavorite X7's propulsion system, which is designed to provide a balance of power, range, and operational flexibility. Interest in this promising aircraft has already led to Horizon Aircraft signing a letter of intent with Discovery Air Chile Lanadia to lease 5 Cavorite X7 hybrid eVTOLs, with delivery expected in 2028. The Cavorite X7 is expected to transform services in Chile by reducing transfer times and costs for operators. According to Horizon Aircraft, the Cavorite X7 offers a compelling economic and operational alternative to traditional helicopters, with the ability to fly almost twice as fast and at an estimated 30% lower per-hour operating cost, resulting in over 75% savings on a per-mile basis. The agreement marks a significant milestone for Horizon Aircraft as it expands its international footprint into South America. Earlier, Horizon Aircraft secured an $8.5 million investment from a supporter of the aerospace industry. The investment will strengthen the company's balance sheet, provide operational stability, and fund further development and flight testing of the Cavorite X7. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.